Hello everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today for another video tutorial. Today I have a great little treat holder for Father's Day. Now sometimes it's hard to come up with little gifts for men for Father's Day. You could also do this for birthday or any time of year, but I wanted to do some things, and I'm using the All That dies, and we are just going to use this Holy Smokes You're Amazing and then this little Happy Father's Day stamp. Okay, so I am starting with a piece of early espresso, and I will put the measurements on my blog, so I'm not going to post them here, but I will put them on my blog so you can see. And I've scored it just so that it folds out. We're going to create a little pocket here. Then I have a piece of our new copper clay cardstock. Love this color. Look how nice. It's like a rich caramely color. It goes perfectly with the early espresso. And I've scored it in 2 spots. Once again, measurements will be on my blog. And then I'm going to create kind of a belly band to go around it, but it's going to be permanent. It's not something you can slide off and on. And this is just going to hold our pocket closed. I'm going to peel those off. I'm going to open this up just so you can see. I'm putting it on the pocket so there's a little bit of the espresso showing above and below this piece. All right, I think I have that placed correctly. So I'm going to close up my pocket, and I'm going to fold the smaller panel around first. And that's going to stick to the pocket, and then this piece will stick to the other end. So we don't have any seams on the front or the back. Okay, now I have a piece of basic white that's going to go on the back behind our pocket, and we are going to stamp that with the copper clay, and that's where we're going to stamp our Happy Father's Day. I'm stamping white on white, so I'm hoping I can get this straight. You could also do happy birthday, whatever you want to do. All right, we're going to adhere this to the back. Okay, they're not going to see this till they take out their treat. And then for the front, I have added a piece. This is the Fresh as a Daisy designer paper, and right here this is part of the sky image on one of the patterns. It has daisies below it, but I am going to use this side, which has a copper clay kind of washed look, and then we're going to grab some of our tear and tape, put a little bit right here, and we have some of the copper clay ribbon that we're going to adhere just to add a little texture to the front. But I'm going to flag this. I cut them a little long, so I'm going to cut this a little shorter. This was one of the projects we usually in May we do a Father's Day treat. So we've been making these in class all month. And then I actually made these for our Trip Achiever swap, because I just thought they were so cute. We had to do it. Okay, so I have a piece of early espresso. All right, let's get this through. Let's set that aside. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to pop this up with some dimensionals. We'll go ahead and do 4 since we've got small ones. I'm getting right at the end of my sheet. Okay, let's peel off the tops. And we're going to center this right here in the front of our pocket, and then we'll pop this one up as well. Okay. So what do you think we're gonna put in here? If you haven't made one of these this month with me, what do you think is gonna go in? I'll let you guess. I'm going to grab one of these rustic metallic dots. This, and you could use either the small or the large. I'm going to go ahead and put a large one right there so I can see it a little better. All right, now for the fun. A lot of guys like to grill, so I've got some of the Grill Mates Zesty Herb Marinade Mix, and it fits right in that pocket. Isn't that cute? I love this, and the colors are perfect. We've got espresso, and then we've got some of this copper clay color. You could even use a little shaded spruce or garden green if you want to do that for this piece. But I just think that is the funnest little masculine 3D treat holder ever. It's not a treat they can eat immediately. It makes them work, but men like to grill, so, you know, never hurts to have a little extra. Okay. I've got something going on with my phone here. It's getting low on battery. So I hope you enjoyed the project today. This is perfect for Father's Day. So I will post measurements and supplies on my blog with the link below. Make sure to place an order this month. We have a great special going on. There's like one or two more days to get your order in to take advantage of that special. For $35, you get a set of the card class projects from this month. With an order of $50 before tax and shipping, you also get a pack of the iridescent pearls, and with $75 before tax and shipping, you get an extra 10 cards I'm going to send you out of my stash. So you won't want to miss out on that. All right, thanks everyone for stopping by, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.